And y'all, for those of you who don't know who I am, I'm Wavy A, and you already know what the title of this video is, so I'm gonna get straight into it with this unboxing. I am struggling with opening this box. I did use the bag security program. That's basically how I get basically all of my bags, to be honest with y'all. I think I got like 5 bags now. I did get the second one as a Christmas gift, so I hope she don't watch my video. You know, this little box, how it came. They're both the same color, so there's no need to pull out both of the bags. So I got the black one in a size medium, y'all. So it did come with a dust bag as normal. You know, I love a good dust bag, y'all. I'm not afraid of using it. And here she is, the black shopping bag in the size medium. Now, when I tell you, I am super happy that I finally got this color in this size, because I do have the small one to show you guys a comparison. Now, this is like my mini go-to, and I do have the brown one in the medium size, but I got tired of having the color brown because I realized black goes with everything. So this is a size comparison, you guys, for any of you guys who needs to see the difference between the small and the medium. Now, you guys are thinking this looks like a large. No, it is not. This thing is a medium. It's the same texture, everything, with the logo in the front, you know, with the 2 straps. And I did use the program because I got tired of the black selling out. Like, this is like one of the main colors that always sells out, besides the bubblegum pink and the white one. For the smalls, this was like $150, I believe, and I think the medium were like in the $200 range, so it wasn't that much for the bag. But I will tell you this will be my computer bag, okay? I'm gonna give you guys a zoom in on what it looks like on the inside. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, this camera lighting does no justice because it looks kind of gray, but it's actually all black, y'all. So this is the inside of the bag. It's all black. Yes. So it's all black on the inside. It does have a pouch here, so that way you can put like your other, like your wallet in here. So it's really roomy on the inside, which that's what I do love about their bags, is that it's really roomy. And compared to the small, it's kind of, you know, like I can fit my phone, you know, my wallet, my Glock, and, you know, just go on about my day. Like this one right here, the medium size, I'm going about my business. I can use this as an overnight bag. I can use this as my personal carry-on at the airport and pack a couple of clothes and just have a good old time with my medium bag. I do love that the medium sizes, they aren't like skimping out on how big it's going to be. So that's something I am really happy about. And compared to the small, if you guys like big bags but it's not too big, I would say medium is your go-to. And if you're like me, who just likes a small bag to put your phone, your wallet, and your car keys, this is the one for you to get. Now, I will be using this as my movie bag. I don't know about y'all, but I'm not paying extra food when I can just go to the Dollar Tree and put it in my bag. So this is also my movie bag as well. And if you guys want me to do a lookbook with all of my bags, please let me know, because I will do a whole haul with all of my bags. I have brown one, I have a yellow one, I have the UGG collab, and I do have both of the black ones now. So If you guys like this haul, please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below which one that you have and which one do you want to have in your collection when it comes to Telfar brands. And also, I'll see y'all in the next video.